Bitcoin has been trying to push and try to break the 70K, guys. But since the last weeks, we have been just in this long consolidation since the 63 all the way to the 70, and we continue right there. But it's something really critical. It's happening in the time, in the big time frame, that you need to know, because here is where the opportunities come. This is where everybody has been waiting or has been ignoring as well. And I don't want you to ignore this, because this is gonna change completely the way you trade Bitcoin. So if you want to learn what actually is going to happen, just stick around, guys. We're also going to talk about what is happening in the Middle East, because all this somehow is really connected. We see now gold has been pumping up. Now we see finally a small retracement, but has been just going up and up and up. Oil is breaking up as well. We're going to talk all about it, but first, we're going to focus on Bitcoin. So let me go to the weekly. I'm going to start with the weekly, because this is where we were watching last time, which was the important time frame. I was telling you that in the base case scenario, we're going to consolidate. Otherwise, we were going to continue down. But what we wanted to see is the Fortuna line to lose the strength that we have already for weeks and months. And as you can see, we still have the strength. The time is running, but we can form another valley because actually the price has been doing nothing. The time is just running out and running out. We are already in March, guys, and I was telling you, this month is super important, because we should be breaking already and having the bounce everybody has been waiting. But also I mentioned that potentially the bounce was just the candle that was absorbed immediately and didn't give any time to anybody to really de-risk. But if you have been subscribed to the channel, you have been already de-risking since I was doing it, which was in the 6th of October when the Bitcoin price was 120K. We were de-risking around this area and around this area as well, guys. So we really good according to the strategy. And if you want to know how you can follow and have the same setup I have right now in TradingView, you can go to the description below. I do attach there completely free video when you can get all the indicators to follow me with my strategy, and that is take profit of the market. So in the weekly, what I'm seeing right now, guys, I mean, we still see the strength over there. The red valley is there. I mean, this is just the time has been passing through the days, the weeks and months. And unfortunately, what we don't see in the Bitcoin price is any movement. We have been just consolidating, even though we have a really massive news with all what is happening in Ireland, all these news. Somehow, even though they're really strong news, Bitcoin price is just consolidating, guys. And this actually is not positive. Even if you think, maybe many people think that it's positive because Bitcoin is just holding, even though we have all this past news, but I don't really see it like this. And I can explain you why in the daily. But we should be already by now, we should be already going up. This is a projection I have already since 2 weeks. And last week as well, I was telling you that Bitcoin price potentially going to continue going down, or we're just going to continue having this consolidation, and afterwards we will see what actually happens. But now that we have more clear all the events geopolitically talking that are happening, they are really important, guys. And it doesn't mean that the Bitcoin price is going to break just because of that. It normally does not work like this. As I say to you always, it's important to analyze the price and the chart and see what they're telling us. And here, let me show you the daily now. We are in the daily, guys. This is really critical. I don't like to go to take normally predictions so fast, but what is happening right now is not 100%, but it's the biggest chance I see right now. You can see the time is passing in the daily. Let me see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days already. We have 5 days. The Fortuna line is without strength. That means that the movement do not have any strength. Which movement? The positive one that we have right now, which that means they want to go up. It doesn't have any strength, so that's why we're not going up. That's what it's saying, the indicators over here. And as you can see, we have been having this consolidation already for a long time. And to be honest with you, I mean, we have been just in the 63 to 70, 63, 70, just the bouncing around the 60 and 70. And this is really critical, because if we want to see Bitcoin breaking again and have the bounce everybody's waiting, we should be already by this week. This is really important, guys. By this week, we should be already breaking 70K, 75K. We want to see it going higher and higher and higher. It could happen here, but according to my strategy, I don't see it just right now. And this is something to pay attention, because we see the Fortuna line, the time already passing, and we still have a long way to go to pass below the horizontal line. We would like to be around here, so that the Bitcoin price, the Fortuna line go below the horizontal line, and then with the time, if it will be to start a green valley, then we will have to push back to the opposite side. We could have a little bit of strength in the Fortuna line with the time we have, and this could bring us to the 70K. I cannot say right now. This is just you're pretty much guessing if I would say something like that, but just going firm in and disciplined with my strategy. The time is already running out, and we should be this week already breaking 70 high 80. But if we don't see that, guys, we're going to continue going down. We're going to break the consolidation we have here, and this align with the news I'm telling you. With all the bad news happening in the Middle East, all those news, it will affect somehow. Later on, people are going to say that were the news and this, but I came here and tell you already since weeks ago about the consolidation. If we just hold in there and the time just passed, we need to analyze again, and that is what I'm doing right now, because this is something I have been pointing since October, November, guys. We want the Bitcoin price to go down. Don't get me wrong, I'm super bullish, but this is the time. This is the time to make a lot of money. This is the best moment to make money. And what do I expecting for the Bitcoin price to do in the next weeks and months to come? Remember that when I'm talking about the daily, without the projection you just saw right now, I mean, we can easily drop another 10K. 10K, 15K, that's normal in the daily. If we have strength, we will see the Fortuna line, how that goes. But 10K will put us to 55. I mean, is that possible? Yeah, it's possible. We still don't have strength. Let's see how that continue. But let me draw you here what I'm expecting. The Bitcoin price maybe do something like this and go to reach the 45. Maybe we go a little bit below, and then we start going a little bit up. And here is where we want to find the bottom of the bear market, guys. This, I'm not saying it's gonna happen in the next weeks, but in this year it's gonna happen for sure. For sure, we're gonna go right here. And remember what I'm saying to you already since time ago, the price, the fair price to buy Bitcoin is gonna be around the 65. We already went there, but we can continue going down. So for me, the areas of 60, 50, and 40, those are the most cheap Bitcoin price you're gonna find. And this is the moment to start preparing money, guys. I'm not saying to put in an exchange, because it can be tricky, but just put certain amounts. You can put in different exchanges and just trade different kind of prices, percentage as well. Like if Bitcoin go to 60, put 15%, 20%. If go below 60, like 50, for example, go with another. If we continue to 40, I would go really hard, guys. I would go there even 30, 50%, because the chances to go even lower is really, really low. I don't see the Bitcoin price going below the 40s, to be honest. Let's see, we will be here. I mean, it could be possible. Could we go to 35? Could be, but I don't really see it. You see the big distance we have in between this 50 weekly EMA. Let me see. I mean, and from here, let me see. Let's see more or less the percentage we will have from the higher high. From there, we will go all the way. If we go to 35, I don't see. Well, it would be a 70%. I mean, I don't see that right now, because the whole configuration of the indicators, I just say to you. But I mean, it's possible. Yeah, it could be possible, because in the past we have been having those lows. I mean, and what surprised me, because all the people have been calling the super cycle, the 4-year cycle is dead. We're going to continue just going up and up and up. We don't going to see any below 40 or 50% retracement. This is what we have been hearing during the bull market. Right now we are sitting already at 52% downwards, and with the whole setup of the charts we see right now, it says the Bitcoin, in major probability, the Bitcoin price can continue going down. So just keep it as you want, guys. Just take it as you want. But remember, during the bear market is where most people make big chunks of money. This is the area that if you wanted to invest in Bitcoin and you want to put some money, you want to make some money, this is the area to start buying, and then you just need to have patience and wait, because all of us who are buying right now, and we're gonna continue buying when the Bitcoin price continue going down, we're going to be rewarded in the next years to come, guys. In the next 2 years, we're going to see already the profits on it. And let's see as well how everything continue, guys, because we have this news from the State Department issue depart now alert for all overdoses control Middle East, and this is really crazy because we have all these countries right here, even Saudi Arabia, Qatar, all these areas here, United Arab, the Emirates as well. I mean, they already saying to all the US citizens to get out of there. And this doesn't sound any good, guys. Doesn't sound any good because exactly the same was happening in Ukraine when they were doing, they were going to start with stronger attacks in that area. They start to inform, like always, they start to inform the citizens, and then days, weeks after that, it gets incredibly insane. So let's see if that's gonna happen or not. But I mean, it has been escalated a lot. What the USA has been doing in that area, escalated already. That it took the life of this person who was directing Iran. I don't want to mention the names because yeah, I don't know how YouTube take all this information, but yeah, so it's just escalating already a lot, guys, and it seems it wants to escalate even more. So yeah, I'm not saying you should go short on Bitcoin. If you have experience, go, but most of you, I don't think you have the experience to go short on Bitcoin, so you should not do it. If you don't have, but if you have already some experience and you want to have some nice coupon code, and in the description below I do have a nice coupon code that you can use for Bybit and BitNext, guys. In that, like this, you can be trading Bitcoin as well. Also, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash that like, because it really helps a lot to the algorithm to share to more people, and also for my channel to grow. I will really appreciate that, and I will love to hear what you actually think that the Bitcoin price is doing. Do you think that the analysis I have aligned with yours? So share it with me what actually is your analysis, because I'm really interested to hear as well what experience you have and what do you see in the market as well. Maybe there's something I'm not seeing. Now let me go on the short time frame, guys, which is the 4-hour chart, in case you're trading some right now. Let me show you right here. I'm gonna put this just to make it more clear. We have this consolidation right here where this is the top. This is really simple, guys. That's why I always say to you, like, you can do trade just with the basics. You just learn the basic about technical analysis, and you can use my free indicators as well, and this is going to help you a lot to make money in the market. This is the area to don't enter, because why? It's just the top already. It's the top. We're going to have a retracement here, and potentially we're going to go down, not 100%, but according to the consolidation we have, every time we go up, we go down. We go up, we go down, we go up, we go down, we go up, we go down. So here, what you're thinking that we're gonna go up if we don't have any strain. You can see here we don't have any strain, and potentially we're even forming here bearish derivation right here. You see. So let's see how that continues, guys. But if the Bitcoin price is gonna prove me wrong, we should be already breaking this consolidation in the 4-hour chart. We should also do it in the daily, and we should continue going up and up and up. And this week is super critical, guys. This week is super critical. That's why you should be already prepare your USDT, USDC, whatever stablecoin you're using. Just start preparing, because if we continue breaking, this is going to be a massive opportunity. And later on, when we are in profit in the next month and year to come, I'm going to come back to this. I'm going to show you to you, because this is the moment that everybody going to be screaming when the Bitcoin price is going up. Everybody going to be screaming to have the time that you, if you're watching this video, that you have right now. So just pay attention to that, guys. I just don't want this video to be too long. There's also not much to say. I have been telling this already since weeks, and now it's almost confirmed. It's not 100%. Remember that anything can happen, but in biggest probability, according to the strategy I have been telling you, it could happen. We can continue going down if Bitcoin did not make a move to the open side in this week. That's why this week is crucial. That's why I took my time to make this video for you, because I want you to make money exactly I have been doing in this market, guys. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the like, share the video with a friend. I would really appreciate that. And remember, save in Bitcoin and keep you safe, guys. Ciao, ciao.